Hello, here we are for our next presentation 4, presentation 4. And in this one, we're going to learn about the time. We're going to learn how to say what time it is and how to say it is 10 or 12 or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to put this video here and I'm going to, I also added the audio because we were having problems with that, the audio activities in the previous assignment. So this time I put the audio here so you have access to the audio. You can answer your questions there. So let's go and see what the activities are. And the first is you're just going to look at the page 8. And then your first activity here is real talk. So you're gonna record, real talk, you're gonna record. And in this one, it's very, very simple. You're just going to record the question and the answer. Only one, no more. That's it. So here is the link to go to the text so you can see. And they show you an example right here.
¿Qué hora es? Son las 10.
And that's it. That's all that you're doing. So you click your recording. You already know the procedure. Just click right here, record your conversation, and then click next to submit. And that's it. Okay, let's go to the next activity. We are in presentation 4 right here. The next activity is the audio activity. So as I told you, I recorded the audio, so you don't have to open it like I do.
Es
Right
la
here,
1:30.
you're going to answer just
Es
you
la
listen to the time
1:30.
and then you put the time, the corresponding time.
2. Son las 10. Son las 10.
Okay?
3.
And
Son
so
las
on. I'm not going to give you all the
11:05.
answers. So the audio is there and the class plan. You just click right here and I recorded a video where you can see and listen to the audio. That's your activity for the audio. And the next one is an activity for vocabulary. It's also numbers, so you just need to do the math problems and complete it with the answer. And of course, you have to write the words. 7 times 8, 56, I think. 56, okay? Oh, sorry, my bad. Here goes the number. Here go the words. It says right here. Here are some simple math problems. Fill in each blank with the correct number. That's here. Then write the Spanish word for that number right here. And then you click next and go to the next one. You got 12 of those. Okay. And that's the last activity for this section. You don't have more activities. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to help you. You still have any questions. But use the notes of the previous class and your resources. And if you can think about anything that you need, let me know so I can put it on the plan. I'll see you in the next video.